Hello, this is Manesh Patel with blackbar.com. Today is February 23rd, 2005. This is our weekly forecast for the Black Bar AI forecasting tool. We are different from everyone else. We've been showing you this every week, the results for US stocks, currencies, and futures. And remember, you could apply it for any instant and any time frame, but we've been showing you the results from this because a lot of people do a lot of talking, which we don't believe in. We believe in actions. So the black bar is a forecasting tool. It tells you something's going to happen on the next bar. Which way? It depends on the shade. If you have a green background, you're going to bet on it going up. If you have a red background, you're going to bet on it going down. If you don't have any background, you got to wait till it hits this red dot before it hits the entry, before you could go either direction. So here, week by week, we show you the results. This week we had 11 winners, 5 break even, and 0 losers. Not bad at all, considering the markets are consolidating. You also had a short week for the US stock market, and then you had option expiry on Friday, which is really bad sometimes too. And you could see a lot of stocks, when they were bullish, gave up a lot of profits on Friday due to option expiry. But either way, let's go for the results and show you everything that's going on. And remember, the ones that have a shade, those are high probability. That tells you the markets are trending. And if you look at the list here, there was a very short list of opportunities at the very beginning of the week here. So if you look at it, we only had 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 opportunities just with shaded. That means they're trending. That's not good at all. So it told us that the week was going to be consolidating and to be very careful. Okay, so we knew that going in. Non-shaded opportunities here, you had a little more bigger list, but even that list was small too. Typically, you're getting around 30, 40, 50 opportunities in together. You really didn't get that at all. You got half the list. When you get half the list at the beginning of the week, before the week even begins, that tells you that the markets are going to consolidate, and that's exactly what it did. Okay, so let's begin here. VRTX, this was bullish here. That was a good winner here. Monster was another trade here. This was a nice little winner here. Notice both of these are non-earning plays, so they weren't really biased at all. Okay, PH moved, but we really didn't trigger. It went bearish, not bullish at all. So that was not a trade. PayX, this is one that we entered and then got out at break even. See this purple line right there? Once it gets there, we change our stop to our entry at inner bar. So this got out of break even. Dove, same thing here. This got out of break even. COF was break even. And then DRI was break even too. So they did move, but they didn't move completely for the rest of the week, so they ended up getting out of break even. So not bad for the trending opportunities. There are 2 of them there, and then 4 break evens there, and then all these here really did not enter at all. So this was a red shade, should have gone bearish, didn't do that. This is a red shade, didn't go bearish at all. This is another one. This is bullish, didn't go bullish. And then HST, this is supposed to go bearish, didn't trigger bearish at all. These are non-shaded opportunities, which means we're consolidating and possibly could break out this week. We need to see, last week they did, and now we need to see a follow through this week. We always believe in 2 bars, not 1 bar breakouts. Okay, so here this hit the red dot here and then broke out. So that was a good trade here, bullish. That was bullish. This is bullish. This is a bearish trade here. So you had a mixture there. So a little more bullish right now. That was bearish. IVZ bearish. MMM bearish. Oops. APH was bearish. Comcast was about bullish. So you had a little more bias, a little more bearish trades than bullish trades, not much. But those are the winners there. So on the consolidation side, you had 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of those. These ones that moved but didn't really go for any drawdown at all. So we really didn't enter these at all. there. This is FedEx here. This came out of break even. You could see it went down here, then it got out of break even and went to retreated. And these are all the opportunities that did not enter at all. So again, the summary for the week was mediocre, considering its consolidation pattern. There was a mixture of both bullish and bearish. We had 11 winners and 5 break even. If you have any questions, please respond in the social media post and ask them. Please also like and share this video too.